Hello out there, it's Kelly with Science ATL. Listen, it's been a very long year, and I hope that you and your families are staying safe. Please, 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 please keep wearing your masks and keep social distancing. Deal? All right, so this month, Science ATL is the most excited to be partnering with our friends at Elequa, an amazing organization that inspires kids like you to use your creativity to solve real-world problems. Here's the thing. According to CDC, about 2.5 billion people on this planet don't have access to safe drinking water. That's 35% of the population. That's bonkers. That's where Elequa comes in. They had this genius idea that maybe if we all work together, we can figure out a way to make clean water more accessible. Elequa's idea is to use a process called electrocoagulation to purify water. It's a complicated word, yes, but the technique itself is actually pretty simple. And even better, you can use items that you already have at your house to help out. I'll let my friend Ryan at Elequa, who's an innovator and a filmmaker, tell you more details.
Hello everybody, my name is Ryan Beltran with Elequa. We operate the Make Water program. We are very thankful to Wondercast and their design challenge for including us this month. Today we're going to challenge you to actually purify water with electricity. We're going to do so with the process called electrocoagulation, and you can do so with around the house components.
All right, so you might be thinking, how? Water? With electricity? How do I do that? And these are all great questions. Don't worry, friends. Just below this video, you will find a link to a very helpful webpage. It's got a video to guide you through the experiment. It's got step-by-step instructions. It's got a list of materials to start with, and a link to a Google form to share your results. Okay, back to Ryan.
So we like this process because it's working smarter, not harder. A big part of this is not just you learning the activity and doing it, but it's actually comparing yours to others. We're really trying to do real science here, and in the long run, take everybody's builds and compare them and see if somebody has come up with a really neat and more efficient build to purify water than somebody else. So thanks again to Wondercast. We look forward to seeing what projects y'all come up with, what builds y'all make. Have fun. And say hello to my cats over here. They are my coworkers.
Okay, so this month's challenge is what we call a citizen science project, or a community science project. We want you to try out this experiment for yourself, but we want you to put your own spin on it. We want you to add some of your ideas and changes and tweaks. You can get your cat to help, or maybe a chicken or a turtle. No matter who your coworkers are, we want to know what you tried and what changes you made to make the process better. Check out the show notes for inspiration and all the details you need to submit your design. Who knows? Your innovation could truly help make a difference in the world. If you run into any trouble, shoot me an email at wondercast@scienceatl.org. All right, you got the whole rest of the year to do this, so go ahead and get started.